recovery trucks everywhere. Oh, yeah. Just done a couple of jobs in it. He thought the DPF had blocked up, so he's changed the DPF and that, and then possibly engine, I think. Struggling there, right, Caleb?
You reckon your mate will sort it out?
So well, just going to take it to him and see what he can do, I suppose. But love causing chaos, do you? Don't worry about that, take the strap off. Lad, I'm off.
See you in a bit.
Seriously? Yeah, just leave it off, it's alright. Dad, yeah.
Who's this one you going to?
Auto bar.
Oh yeah, I put him in my pocket, I don't leave him in the truck. I know you know everyone, but like, you never know, do you?
You never know, mate. Well, I'm not going to turn around there now.
You can get up there for you.
I'll have a go.
It's fucking long before turning.
So I mean, there's just too many cars here to turn around, are there? Oh, I've moved one for you. I've moved one.
How come you got a manual as well?
All I ever had was head out with my Merc and my auto.
Oh yeah. Or just not shifting properly?
Nah, just always problems with the gearbox and that.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Sir.
No bottom out.